Woke up to snow last night, just before midnight. Wow. All right, welcome to the winter wonderland. We got one more hike to do. Upper North Falls up there. We got trekking poles, got our yak cracks, and we're gonna go do it. So I'll see you guys there. Out here walking in this winter wonderland, so beautiful.
The chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Quite a bit different than what we were walking in yesterday. Oh, there it is. All right, got the last waterfall. That's number 10, right there in the snow. That's Upper North Falls. Absolutely stunning. Some guy just came down here and stripped down and got in the water, completely submerged in that water. Polar plunge. Okay, Jess is heading back. That's it. One last look. Last of the 10. Check it off the list. Trail of 10 waterfalls, all 10 waterfalls. 3 different types of weather, 3 different days. Beautiful. Couldn't ask for a better trip. All right, well, we're gonna make our way back to the car, head back to our cabin, start packing stuff up, and get ready to head to our next destination in Albany and go get a nice hotel room. Sit in the hot tub tonight. It's gonna be great. Mission accomplished.
Easy? Sure.
Yep, not bad. We didn't even need our traction things. So. All right, gonna get back to the car. Thanks for coming with us. Later. Stone circle. It all begins right here. We decided to make a quick stop at South Falls one more time, get one more look at it. And we've been to it every day. All 3 days we've saw it. So we'll see you there. South Falls. Had to come see it in the snow. Yep. Had to come get one more look. The only waterfall that we've seen all 3 days. And that pretty much concludes our visit at Sewer Falls State Park and the Trail 10 Waterfalls. So finished it out in grand fashion. With 2 waterfalls in the snow today. So we're out. We're gonna head off back to town. Thanks for watching. Later.